Hey YouTube, this is Fool Joe here. I have some problems connecting to my Facebook account. I get this see, I put my phone number in my account settings, and then I removed it, and it used to like send me a code to like try to log in, and like I get this thing. It's like so annoying, and I removed it, and every time I try to put my password in, it doesn't. It just gives me this like log in from a recognized computer. Like, it doesn't let me. Like, I tried logging into my BlackBerry. Yes, I'm recording this from my BlackBerry. I don't have like a special camera or anything. Like, just fucked up. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. So annoying. I tried like changing the password onto my email and shit. Your face would change. Still doesn't work. Continue, secure your account. See, and the same shit pops up again. I don't know what the freak is wrong with this. Password, yeah, it doesn't work. And over again, it just keeps on happening. So if you guys can find a way to fix this for me, I'll appreciate it a lot. And message me on, or leave comments, because I am really fucked if I can't fix this. And I'm just like can't imagine what I feel right now. It's just so annoying. I don't want to have to make another account, make another email address again. It's just too much. Alright, thanks guys. Peace. Have a good day.